Hi everyone. This is another white belt level drill video, and it's on the Waza Motion. So our basic blocks with the Waza Motion. The first thing we're going to do is go through and show you each block on one side in the Waza Motion and then on the other side. Okay, so just a block, how to step out into our front stance to the side and then come up. Step out to our front stance to the side and then come up. And then we're going to add the punch, which will fully create the Waza Motion. Okay, so let's try it out. So our first one, remember for all of these drills, you want to imagine that you're on a balance beam, if you will, that you have a straight line between both your feet and it heads out to your left and out to your right. And we want to keep our feet on that line. Okay, we don't want to step forward and we don't want to step backward. We're going to stay on that line. Okay, so our very first drill, let's start with the forearm block. We're going to prepare a right forearm block. So our right hand is going to come up. And now I'm not your mirror image on this, okay? So if you're doing this facing me, you're going to do your left hand. You did your left, I'm doing my right, okay? So I'm preparing a right forearm block. I'm going to step out with the opposite foot and then turn into a front stance and do my block, okay? And to come up, I just turn my hips almost like I'm going into a horse stance and come back up. So we're going to do that again. We prepare our right hand. In your case, if you're my mirror image, prepare your left hand. And then we slide that foot, the opposite foot, so my left foot goes out, and then I turn and block. All right, to come up, I turn my hips back and come up. All right, so prepare, step out, get your stance, block. Okay, let's try that all the way through on one count. 1, and up, 2, and up, 3, and up. Good. The other side, we prepare. Now it would be your right hand. It's my left hand. I'm going to prepare the opposite foot. If I'm blocking with my left, my right foot moves. So if you're blocking with your right, your left foot moves. Slide it out, block. Turn back and come up. Prepare, slide out, get your stance, block. Come on, back up. Ready? Prepare. Slide out, get your stance, block. Good. So on 3 counts, 1 is preparation, 2, get your stance, 3, block. Good. All the way through. Ready? 1. And up. 2. And up. And 3. And up. Okay, Sensei Misture, go ahead and do a couple more. Stepping out, and that is your forearm block into your side front stance. So go ahead and practice that. Here comes the blue screen. All right, so now we're going to do the downward block, moving the same way. So we're going to prepare, I'm preparing a right downward block. So if you're my mirror image, it's your left hand up. My right hand is up. I'm going to step with my opposite foot. So I'm blocking with this hand. That means I have to step with this leg. Okay, so I'm going to step out to the side and downward block. And come back up. So I prepare. I step out and get my stance. And I block. And I come up. Okay, so 1, 2, get your stance, 3, and up. Ready? All the way through. 1, and up, 2, and up, 3, and up. Good. We're going to go the other side. So now the other hand is up, the other foot steps. Ready? All the way through. 1, and up, 2, and up, 3, and up. Good. Go ahead, Sensei Misture. You can do a couple more. That's it. Downward block, front stance to the side. Very good. And here's your blue screen. Practice that about 10 times on a side. All right. So now let's take that side, stepping to the side front stance. Let's do it with an upward block. So I'm going to step to my left. That means I'm going to block with my right. So I'm going to put my right hand down. I'm going to do upward blocks. So I have my preparation. I step out, get my stance, and do my block. And then I come back up. So prepare, step and get your stance, block, and back. All the way through. 3 times. Ready? 1. Back. 2. And back. 3. And back. Good. To the other side, we prepare our left hand down. We're going to step that way. Ready? 1. And up. 2. And up. 3. And up. Good. So that's your upward block. It's stepping to the side in a front stance. Go ahead and practice that about 20 times. All right. So we've done the downward block, we've done the forearm block, we've done the upward block. Which one haven't we done? That's right, the outward block. So let's do the outward block, stepping to the side. So I'm blocking with my right hand. Okay, this is the block that comes up this way. Okay, so I'm blocking with my right hand, my left foot steps out. You guys are ready for this? Let's just go all the way through. Ready? 1. And up. 2. And up. 3. And up. Other side. 3 times. Ready? 1. And up. 2. And up. 3. And up. Good. All right, so practice that one about 20 times would be really good if it's correct. Okay, go to work. All right, so now we're going to add the punch, and this will complete the Waza motion. We can't really do our Waza motion if our hips aren't set up for it. Okay, so the whole idea of the Waza motion is to create torque, power, generate power through our bodies by allowing our hips to turn side to side. And our feet have to do some turning as well. So your feet are going to go from one angle to the other angle. Your feet shouldn't go flat. So it's not going to be all my toes pointed straight to the side, all my toes pointed to the other side. They're always going to be at an angle. So it's going to turn sort of like this. Okay? So when you're looking at your feet, make sure they're staying parallel to each other and you're not getting something like this where one foot's turning. Okay? But you want both feet to turn together. All right? That's what's going to happen on this. So we're going to start with the forearm block and then do a reverse punch. All right? So we're going to start with our right hand blocking. So it'll be your left if you're facing us. We're going to do this 3 times. We're going to step out and we're going to block. 1. And now this hand should be in chamber. You're ready to punch. So we're going to punch. And because we're doing this in a drill, we're going to punch straight ahead. So imagine your attacker is in front of you. Okay? And then we're going to punch like that. And then come on up. Okay? So we're going to do that again. Ready? On 2 counts. Ready? 1, 2, and up. Good. 1, 2, and up. Good. Let's try the other side. On 2 counts. Ready? 1, 2, and up. 1, 2, and up. Good. All the way through on 1 count on the first side we did. Ready? 1. And up. 2. And up. 3. And up. Other side. Ready? 1. And up. 2. And up. 3. And up. Okay, go ahead, Sensei Misture. Feel free to do more if you want or not. Check that out. Okay, looks good. Hey, guys, copy that. Okay, so that's the forearm block, reverse punch. Now we're going to do downward block, reverse punch. Okay, so here we go. Preparing a right downward block, stepping out to our left, all the way through on 1 count. You can do it. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1. And up. 2. And and up. 3, and up. Let's do 2 more. 4, and up. 5, and up. Other side. Ready? 1, and up. 2, and up. 3, and up. 4, and up. And last one. Ready? 5, and up. All right, very good. So you guys should practice that. If you have to replay the video, replay the video. Okay, practice that a good 20 times on a side per session, not only. Okay, good work. All right, so now we're going to do the upward block and then a reverse punch. Still staying in the Waza motion. Okay, so here we go. We're going to move off to our left first, so we're going to block with our right. Upward block, reverse punch. All the way through. Ready? 1, and up. 2, and up. 3, and up. 4, and up. And last one on this side, 5, and up. Other side. Ready? 1, and up. 2, and up. 3, and up. 4, and up. And 5, and up. Very good. Practice that one. Good. Last one, we're going to do the outward block. So we're going to step out to our side with an outward block and then reverse punch. For this one, let's, for fun, change our punch. Let's punch at the head. Okay, so you guys are going to punch at the head. So you want to aim your fist right at the middle of your own face out there in space. Okay, so let's start with our right hand blocking. That means our left hand will punch. Okay, and we're punching at the face. All the way through. Ready? 1. And up. 2. And up. 3. And up. 2 more times on this side. 4. And up. And 5. And up. And other side. Ready? Outward block, reverse punch. The target for the punch is the face. 1. And up. 2. And up. 3. Up. 4. And up. And let's key eye on this one. Last one of the video. Ready? 5. And come on up. All right, you guys should practice that. Practice this video as many times as you need to until you look like us. Okay, bye.